Welcome to the balance test. We'll ask you a few questions. For every yes, stretch one leg out to the marker next to you. Did you invest in a mutual fund just because your family or friends did? Do you choose funds based on their past returns alone? Do you invest based on social media buzz, tips, and suggestions? Has it been a while since you reviewed your portfolio for the right balance? Those of you getting an investment expert's guidance, please put your hands up.
There's so much information that exists out there, YouTube videos, influencers, but I think that maybe having expert guidance might be the better way of doing this.
Mutual funds and securities investments are subject to market risk. Please read the offer documents carefully before investing.